Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today this video is all about this 3-in-1 drawstring half wig. Yeah, all of that into one. Like, you will see that this wig is so easy to throw on and just go about your business. And the first two styles I will show you, I done with some old box braids that I had finessed. It looks so good with this wig and my old box braids. It goes to show how versatile this wig is. So yeah, let's get into it. Curls curls for the girls. Very informative and detailed. Love that. This is 18 inches curly. Okay, so this is like a half wig, or you can do it as a drawstring. We're gonna do a couple styles with this. See what I come up with. See, it comes with 4 cones. You got 2 small ones on the sides, 2 larger ones at the top and at the back. And then I also have this drawstring pull. That way you can definitely do a ponytail. You can wear it as a half wig. You can do a lot of things. So soft. But I'm gonna wash it really quick. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I just washed my wig and I combed it out. You see that part? It's wet. Like, I'm gonna just go ahead and let this air dry. All right, y'all, it is 5:20. I have about 25 minutes to finish my hair. See my arm candy right from me. All right, so really quick, let me swoop my edges. Okay, edges done. All right, and I'll leave a link down below to the tutorial on these braids. I also did a maintenance video and showed you guys me washing them as well. So go check out both of them. Like, you have so many options when it comes to a half wig. And then this is like a 2-in-1 because it is a half wig drawstring. Ciao. Okay, ponytail. Here's my half wig. I did wash it yesterday, so it's nice and fluffy. All right, so I'm gonna just put this on and tuck it and then pull the drawstring. Okay, put it on. This is so cute. All right, now I will pull this drawstring. Okay, now here's the drawstring string. I'm just going to wrap that around my ponytail for extra security. Well, let me pull out what hair I'm going to use to wrap around. And then you can go ahead and wrap this. And now I'll just put a hairpin in this little hook part. Is that too tight? Nope. And now do a little wrap around to cover up the base. Okay, this is cute. It's fluffed out. See how it looks up close. And of course I have in braids, but you can definitely just pull your hair back into a ponytail. It's not going anywhere. So cute and so big. All right, now let's try it as a half wig. Okay. All right, good as new. Now let's do half up, half down. Woo. This time we'll leave the front out. Same thing to the back. Okay, now let's just add the wig. Tuck that under. Okay, I have it where I want it. Now let's pull this drawstring. And then I just tuck the drawstring underneath at the bottom. Something like that. Just tuck it. See where I have the wig right there? Now let's just pull this up and over top of it. Perfect. Put this into a little ponytail. I don't like how loose that feels, so let me add some hairpins right here. Okay. Now take some of this the wig hair and put it around the bun just so to be like the same texture. Boom. Half up, half down. This is so cute. I finessed the fuck out of this style. Here's the second style. All right, you guys. So I'll be back for the third and final style with my actual natural hair. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so I have these cornrows I'm ready to take out so that I can have some leave out in the front. So, really quick. Before. Alright, all of my braids are out. So it's a little definition in my hair. And then, you know, a little definition in the half wig. So we'll see how this matches up. Okay, so I'm just going to take out the front row. Not using a comb or anything. Just separate it like that. So you see, this is how much I have left out in the front. Now let me resection the back off. All right, this is how I pinned up the back. Now I did go in and put like this top anchor braid. Let's put this bad boy on. Again, here's my wig. I haven't done anything to it since the other day. Bring it around, pull it up. Ooh. Use a couple hairpins. All right, you see that? Now let's, all right, now let's pull back the leave out. That look good. Oh, this looks so good. Stop. Make sure it look good from the side. And done. Oh, this is so cute. Real quick and easy. Shake test. She's not going anywhere, honey. Yes. Wow. Alright, you guys, so that's all for this video. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, from the braided ponytail to this cute half wig style here. And even with the braided ponytail, you would think that was the style, but little do they know you going from one style to the next without inconveniencing yourself. And this, to just take out my cornrows, put on this drawstring wig, and end up with results like this, questioning, is that her hair or not? Baby, the leave out eats. So yeah, let me know what you think about this wig down below. And also, click the link so you can go get yours.